Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jimmy2 Tech channel. I am Jimmy2 here with a brand new 3D printing video. A lot of you guys gave some good feedback with my last 3D printing video, so I'm bringing you a new one. So I had a friend contact me the other day. I will summon him. Hey.
What? How did I get here?
Welcome to the Jimmy2 Tech channel, Tristan.
Oh, well, hey Jimmy, thanks for having me.
So Tristan, tell him why you're here today.
Well, prior to James poofing me into the room, I decided to take a look on Amazon, and I wanted to find an Xbox One S vertical stand. Well, to my curiosity, I found some that were roughly $24 to $30, and I figured I don't have that much money. So I decided to look at James's video on 3D printing. I know he's got the knowledge, I know he has the talent, and I decided to text him and say, James, do you think we could make one for my Xbox One S?
And if you know anything about the Jimmy2 Tech channel, hey, we're into a little bit of everything, so I'm more than happy to take the challenge. So that's pretty much the video we're going to be doing today. Vertical stand, as he was saying. So vertical stands are pretty important because there are vents right here on the bottom, and you want your Xbox One to be able to breathe. So if you were setting this on a flat entertainment center, I mean, you're not going to lose too much airflow, but you're going to lose a little bit. So a nice stand will keep it a little bit more stiff.
Oh yeah.
Less tipsy, and it'll also give a little space down here at the bottom, and it'll be able to breathe.
Now, the one thing most Xbox users get wrong about these consoles, or at least the ones that I've seen, is they'll often flip the console this way vertically. Mm-hmm. This is bad. It's all top heavy right here because this is where all of your hardware is, on the left side where these vents are, where your main fan is. If you turn it this way, it could damage your disc tray permanently and ultimately ruin your system. So the best way is to keep it vertical like this, mm-hmm. with a nice stand, like Jimmy said, enough room for the vents to let some air out and give it some breathing room.
So let's get to it. So I'm using my Ender 3 here. I found a nice set of stands for the Xbox One. It's a two-piece. I'm printing one right now. I finished up the other one. I'll show you guys in a minute. Right now I'm sort of giving a time lapse. I mean, I need to make a mount for this 3D printer so I can put my DSLR on there because I'm not a fan of the GoPros. But yeah, we'll go with that. So currently making this. This is 25% infill, no supports. I have some silk black filament, 1.75 PLA. It's an amazing color. Just thought I'd let you know it's a really good contrast with the Xbox. I just know it, and I can't wait to show you guys. If you have any questions with settings or the programs I'm using, feel free to just drop them right in the comment section. I'm more than happy to give a breakdown of a how-to for 3D printing if enough of you guys really want to see something like that.
So after roughly 7 hours, we finally were able to print off both pieces of the stand. As you can see, the design is really unique. We didn't come up with it. Kudos to the guy who did, because it fits like a charm. As you can see, it says the Xbox One logo right there. But if we take this off for 1 second, you can also see the Xbox logo there. Now we slip it right back on, and the design is so unique that it actually fits the case of the Xbox One S itself. And with this, I should be able to keep it propped up vertically, no problem. And that will keep a little gap underneath here for the ventilation under there to breathe. Well,
everybody, that sums up this video. It's a pretty nice little design for the Xbox One. I hope some of you guys are interested, or maybe have found a new reason to get a 3D printer. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can make. I mean, there's stuff up here you guys can see. I mean, there's so much stuff you can do if you're into it. So, Tristan, I hope you liked your design, so I'm gonna send you back.
Oh, wait a second.
Whew. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. Make sure to like this video, share. Please hit that subscribe button if you currently have not pressed it yet. I think that pretty much sums it up. Until next time, do a little bit of everything.